This isn't school, and that's exactly the point. Because everything you were taught was designed for survival, not transformation. You were trained to earn a living, but never really taught how to build a life that feels alive. And maybe that's why something still feels missing, even when everything looks fine on the outside. You're not here by accident. You're here because something inside you is asking for more. More clarity, more purpose, more growth than just repeating the same cycle every day. Imagine a system designed not just to fill your mind, but to upgrade your entire way of thinking. A space where learning doesn't feel like pressure, but like evolution. Where small daily shifts reshape how you think, feel, and live your life. And you don't have to do it alone. Picture a guide that actually understands you, adapting to your progress, your pace, your mindset. Not just teaching you, but learning from you as you grow. And around you, a global community moving in the same direction, trying to become better, not just busier. Because growth feels different when you're surrounded by people who are actually growing too. Backed by modern science, ancient wisdom, and real-world insight from top mentors, this isn't just education anymore. It's evolution in real time. And the only question is, are you ready to evolve?